Goa government took a decision some time ago, along with the railway officials and including the collector. They will be invoking the Railway Act because this is a necessity, broad gauging of the railway, and it is required for the progress of Goa, which simply means that as a progressive state, we have to be in line with what is happening in the rest of the country. We cannot keep only a single track running here. We have to have the broad gauge coming. Narrow gauge is no more the in thing. You know, most of the places they have discontinued narrow gauge. They are all going for broad gauge, and it's only a very small section that there is objection. So because of one small section, you can't hold the entire railways or the people to ransom. Yes, that the railways are coming anew in these areas. They're not coming new, no. They're there already. It's only broadening of the track. If objection had to be made, perhaps it had to be made earlier days when the railway line was being laid. You tell me one thing, now we go through highways, we go through roads. Have trees not been cut for those roads which we enjoy going? Highways which are roads have been broadened. Tinga झाडां कापूना, थिंगा कितें आसलें तें मोडून रिहॅबिलिटेट लोकां करूना म्हणून प्रगती जाला म्हणून लोकांक आज ट्रॅव्हल करपाक मेळटा. तेच भाशेन रेल्वेनूय लोकांक ट्रॅव्हल करपाक मेळपा जाय. गुड्स एंड सर्विसीस मूव जावपा जाय रेल्वेन.